It's me, Mikey Pipes. I'm still a little beat up from the fall I took yesterday. So I'm just going to give you a raw dump Wednesday. Here we go.
It's not immediately going to start getting wet, right? It's going to take a little while for it to make its way to this spot, no?
Correct. See, that's not normal. That's water where it shouldn't be. This is also water where it shouldn't be. Water standing on the floor. And let me tell you, if water's making its way down here into there, that definitely explains the leak downstairs. I highly doubt the pan has failed. The grout may look disgusting, especially around the perimeter, but it's all normal. And I'm not worried about here. All right, I got a 5-gallon bucket. I got the handheld. May have to do it the hard way. We want to leak test the drain line. The water line and the drain, not getting water anywhere else. All right, let's get the show on the road. All right, I've been filling up the 5-gallon bucket with water from the handheld shower. And what that's doing is testing the water pipe from the thermostatic control, the shower body, to there. So if this is dripping over time, we would see something below, because water is going nowhere else except into the bucket. And the bucket I'm draining into the toilet, and they've been using the toilet for a week and there's no issue with the drain. So we're filling up a bucket once every 50 seconds. All right, no issue with the shower head, the handheld. Now we're working on the rain head. I took off the hose and had that going into a bucket. So now we're testing the line from the shower body, the diverter, to the rain head outlet. All right, now we're testing drain. Water's not going anywhere else except into the drains and a little bit around the shower flange. All right, let's stuff up the drain. Test the shower pan. All right, we're gonna have about 1 inch of water in the pan. I'm sure some of you are used to seeing this when the drain is clogged up with the lice and the girlfriend's hair. So we're going to let this go for another few minutes. All right, got some more water in there. Let's dump it. Good flow and drain and good venting. Look at that. That nice funnel. Beautiful. Oh my God, it's 9. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. He's drinking a beer and having a cigarette. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's wrecked. I am enabling this behavior. I can't believe I'm enabling this behavior. It's better to get a Sawzall. Trust me. Sawzall with a nice, like, wrecking blade on it. Because then you can cut right through the nails, cut through the wood, cut through cardboard.
Your truck? Yeah, I don't see Sawzall.
There's no Sawzall in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Otherwise, thing. But this Burnham, which one is it? Oh, it's the X2, the 03 model. This is, how many BTUs is this? I want to say under 100. But US Boiler, a sponsor of the Mikey Pipes HVAC training facility, which is right there. This is our first cast iron boiler for our school. We're gonna put this on a wheeled platform. Yeah. We're gonna put that on a slightly raised platform with wheels, and we'll be able to go over the components of this boiler. Nicey nice, nicey nice.
Correct.
Let's see how Daniel's going to address it. Yep, okay, he gets a WD-40. He sprays it in there. Let's see if he finagles it.
Oh, I cut myself.
You cut yourself? By the way, ladies and gentlemen, on Friday, and every Friday till Labor Day, as long as I am in New York, we have hot dog and popcorn Fridays. Every Friday afternoon between 1 and 4, I am going to set up my umbrella out here. I got a table. I got hot dogs. I got hot dog buns. I got the condiments that go on there. I even got refreshments, non-alcoholic refreshments. Free for everyone who comes by here while supplies last. Come meet the team at Pipe Doctor Home Services. Okay, Peter's slowly making progress here. Slow and steady wins the race, folks. Slow and steady wins the race. I doesn't need to do that, but whatever. So just cut along the top. Break that in pieces. See, that's another piece. This is funny. It's funny. It's funny, ladies and gentlemen. It's funny. It's really funny. Oh, he did it. Little baby boiler. It's a little baby boiler. A little baby boiler. What? That would what? Rent? Rent a room? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anyone who's renting rooms. Sorry. What happened to the parking lot? You said you were going to clean the parking lot.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
There's dirt everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, okay. You didn't do a job. You didn't finish a job. I looked already. You want me to show you? And I'm done though. You have to like hit up some other people for money, okay? Because I'm not doing this anymore. Let's see, and I could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong, but oh yeah, look, you got it all. Okay, I got you. I'm sorry. Here, let me give you some money.
I'm gonna work on that.
You know what? You're right. Here you go. Here's $20.
Thanks.
You're very welcome. Good job.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry I was wrong. Okay, but next week you can clean it again, okay? I'll see you next week. Don't be hitting me up every day for money. Or my guys, okay? Only once a week you clean the parking lot for $20. Okay. Don't be drinking all the beer. I was wrong. I was wrong. He cleaned the parking lot. He cleaned it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Today, we're going to start part one, probably of 3 parts. We're going to be taking out these 2 Train Central AC outdoor condensing units. And then we're going to be replacing them with the ACIQ R454B heat pump condensing units. But that's not all. We also have these sleek and awesome looking indoor air handlers. And they really, really, really look tits, if you know what I mean. Let's go! Change of plan. The units. I'm thinking, hold on. Another change of plan. We're gonna keep the location there. I'm not putting them there. It would be really nice to keep them there, but I gotta deal with getting my line sets to there. Unless we come out there, across, down, around, and go to there. And that's kind of dumb. Both are gonna stay there. We're gonna mount these things and wait until you see these outdoor condensing units. Fire! All right, we are 15 inches from the right bracket to the right wall. Same here. They are secure. The Rector seal, by the way, these are awesome. I love them. Don't get the bluefin ones for 35 bucks. Spend triple the price, get quality. You'll be good to go and you'll be happy. Let's install some condensers. Oh, come on, you know they look awesome. We're gonna make sure that they're both level. That left side is a little higher than the right side right there. It's not an optical illusion. But we have to either have to raise up the... Yeah, that's gotta go up a little bit. See how it's a little off right there? Daniel's going to use a channel lock, a Nipix. I'm gonna bring out that foot. Wow, so nice. It's a nice. And what's great about these ACIQ Extreme Heat R454B heat pump systems, they come ready for private labelization. Not too shabby, huh? Not too shabby. Bow. Stick around for part 2 and 3. Oh yeah. He got beat up at the playground yesterday. Little doggies beat you up in the playground?